You don't realize it, but you might be wasting your life right now. Not in a big, obvious way, but in small habits repeated every single day. And the worst part? It feels normal. Here are 10 signs that you're wasting your life. 1. You spend hours scrolling, but minutes working on your goals. You say you're just taking a break, but that break turns into hours. 2. You always say, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month, and your life stays exactly the same. 3. You compare yourself to others constantly. Their success makes you feel behind, instead of motivating you to improve. 4. You avoid discomfort. Anything hard, anything challenging, you run away from it. But growth only happens in discomfort. 5. You don't have clear goals. You're just going with the flow, living day by day with no direction. 6. You care too much about what others think. You stop yourself from doing things just because of fear of judgment. 7. You waste your energy on useless things. Drama, gossip, negativity, things that don't add any value to your life. 8. You don't take care of your body and mind. Bad sleep, no exercise, constant stress, and you expect to feel motivated? 9. You give up too easily. The moment things get hard, you quit. No patience, no consistency. 10. You know what to do, but you don't do it. This is the biggest one. You already know what's right, but you still choose comfort. Now listen carefully. If you saw yourself in even 2 to 3 of these signs, you're not alone. Most people are stuck in this cycle, but the difference is, some people stay stuck forever, and some people decide to change. Your life won't improve overnight, but your habits can. Start small. Fix one thing at a time. Reduce distractions. Build discipline. Do the hard things even when you don't feel like it. Because at the end of the day, you either control your life or your habits control you. So ask yourself, are you really living or just wasting your time?